If your car still looks dirty after you wash it, or you're spending all that time scrubbing and still seeing streaks and swirl marks, you're probably using the wrong foam cannon. I've seen people waste money on cheap ones that barely produce foam, leak under pressure, or just don't cover the car properly. And when that happens, you're not just wasting soap, you're risking your paint. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 foam cannons that actually deliver thick, even foam, the kind that lifts dirt safely and makes washing faster and safer. I'll help you pick the right one, avoid wasting money, and get that proper clean, glossy finish. And if you're into real, no BS car care reviews like this, hit subscribe. I test this gear, I use it, and I'll tell you exactly what works. Check the description for the latest deals and drop your pressure washer setup in the comments. I'll help you match the right cannon. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon. This is more of a combo setup, and honestly, that's why a lot of people go for it. You're getting a compact pressure washer gun paired with a foam cannon, built with brass fittings and a solid plastic bottle. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and connects directly to most standard pressure washer hoses. Here's where this really stands out: simplicity. In real-world use, this is great for beginners or anyone upgrading from a basic hose wash. You don't need a complicated setup, and it gets the job done without fuss. The foam it produces is decent, not super thick, but consistent enough for regular washes. This is what most people don't realize: you don't always need pro-level foam to clean your car safely. For casual users, this works. Compared to super cheap cannons, it's more reliable and less prone to leaking. One drawback? The foam thickness isn't as rich as higher-end models, especially if your pressure washer isn't powerful. Now stepping it up, number 4, the Chemical Guy's Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. This one is designed for maximum foam output. You've got a wide mouth bottle that makes filling easier, durable plastic construction, and adjustable knobs that control both foam thickness and spray pattern. It's clearly built with user convenience in mind. Here's where this really stands out in real-world use: it produces noticeably thicker foam than entry-level cannons. And that matters. Thick foam clings to the surface, breaks down dirt, and reduces the risk of scratching your paint. This is ideal for enthusiasts who wash their cars regularly and want better results without going fully professional. Compared to cheaper options, it's more consistent and easier to dial in. The downside? It uses soap quickly if you max out the foam settings, so you'll want to balance performance with efficiency. Now number 3, the McKillans Wide Mouth Foam Cannon. This is where quality really starts to show. Right away, you notice the heavier build, solid brass fittings, a sturdy bottle, and a wide opening that makes it easy to pour in soap without spilling. It feels like a tool, not a toy. Here's what most people don't realize: build quality directly affects performance. In real-world use, this cannon delivers thick, shaving cream-like foam when paired with a decent pressure washer. It's consistent, reliable, and doesn't clog easily. This is perfect for serious D'ers who want professional-level results at home. Compared to mid-range cannons, it just feels more durable and performs better over time. One drawback? It's slightly heavier, so if you're washing for long periods, you'll feel it in your hand. Now stepping into premium territory, number 2, Adams Polish's Premium Foam Cannon. This one is built for performance and precision. You've got a high-quality brass body, a well-designed adjustment system, and a bottle that's both durable and easy to handle. Everything about it feels refined. Here's where this really stands out in real-world use: it produces thick, even foam with excellent coverage. Not just thick, but controlled. You can fine-tune the spray pattern and foam level to match exactly what you need. This is what separates good from great. It's not just about foam, it's about consistency and control. Whether you're pre-soaking or doing a full foam wash, it performs exactly how you expect. Compared to cheaper cannons, it's more efficient with soap and delivers better results with less effort. The only downside? It's priced higher than average, but you're paying for that performance and reliability. And finally, number 1, the AstroAI Foam Cannon. This one hits that perfect balance, and that's why it takes the top spot. You've got a durable build, solid brass connectors, an easy-to-use adjustment system, and a bottle that's practical without being bulky. It's designed to work well across a wide range of pressure washers. Here's where this really stands out: value meets performance. In real-world use, this cannon produces thick, satisfying foam that rivals more expensive options. It's easy to set up, easy to adjust, and just works consistently. This is what most people are actually looking for, a foam cannon that delivers strong performance without overcomplicating things or breaking the bank. Compared to entry-level models, it's a huge upgrade. Compared to premium models, it holds its own surprisingly well. One drawback? The adjustment knobs aren't as refined as high-end units, but once you dial it in, it performs reliably. So here's the bottom line. If you're just getting started and want a simple combo, the Tool Daily setup is a solid entry point. If you want thicker foam and better coverage, the Chemical Guy's Big Mouth is a great step up. The McKillans is for those who want durability and pro-level foam at home. Adams Polishes is your premium choice for precision and consistency. But if you want the best overall balance of performance, ease of use, and value, the AstroAI takes it. At the end of the day, a good foam cannon isn't just about looks, it's about protecting your paint, reducing scratches, and making your wash faster and more effective. So don't settle for weak foam and wasted effort. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews. Check the description for the best deals and drop your setup in the comments if you want help choosing the right one. You now know more than most people washing their cars. Go get that shine done right.